It's a huge lever. There it is there. Good click. Come out to the front of the car. So it's right in the middle, right above the logo. My middle finger's there on either side of the lever, which is connected to the car rather than to the bonnet, and I've just got to push it off to the center and lift at the same time. There are automatic struts, which is believe me, a lovely touch. And let's have a look at the lever. This is what your fingers were trying to look for. It's a bit stiff. And let's see how the mechanism works. And it's two-sided. So it's a double latch. There's just hooks on the top here on either side. So how do we close it? Well, we just drop it from about 30 centimeters or a foot. There you are. Now, you heard that very positive closing noise, but I check anyway. I double check. I close the bonnet or the hood or the capot, whatever you call it.